Hey there, welcome to Feast and Farm Cooks. My name is Rachel Ballard and this is the channel where I teach you how to cook from scratch more in your own kitchen so that you can ditch some of those box and processed meals and eat a little more healthy. Today in our Fundamentals and Basics class, we're talking about how to choose and how to work with fresh ginger. One of my most favorite flavors. It's so simple, so let me show you. This is what we call a knob of ginger. You can buy this in your produce department. It's usually around the garlic somewhere. What you're going to want to choose is a piece that is firm and it looks fresh and the skin on the outside is nice and smooth. You don't want anything that looks shriveled. If it does, it's old. The flavor's not going to be as good. So that's something to keep in mind. But before you use it, whenever it's time to use it, you want to take off the outer skin. Now how you do this is totally up to you, but I've seen people who just take a spoon and scrape over the skin to remove it. It kind of takes a little bit to get started, but you can run your spoon over it until you get it peeled off enough that you're down to the root itself. It smells so good. So take your time and do that. You don't want to stand here and watch me do it all. But once you get it to that point and you're ready to grate it, you'll just need a zester or a box grater or something that's got those blades on there so that you can grate it really finely. But what you're going to do is you're just going to take it and rub it over. And it'll take a little bit. It's harder than garlic or anything like that, so you'll have to rub a little bit. And then on the back, you can see where it starts to come off. And it's just so fragrant. The smaller you grate it, the more strongly it's going to taste in your food. So give it a few grates until you have enough for your recipe, and you'll be all set. Thanks so much for being here. You can subscribe right here if you haven't done that yet, and you can watch another video right over here. Have a great day. See ya.